Okay, hello, I welcome you to this live video. In this live video we are going to be selecting someone, just one person, to gain access to my Revit Tutorial Masterclass for free. In one of my posts, this post specifically, I mentioned that as many that are going to be commenting on this post that they are interested, I am going to be selecting one person out of them and give the person free access to my Revit Tutorial Masterclass. And today is that very day. Okay, so we are going to be selecting that person now, and you can see we have about 10 comments from the members of this group, and I'm going to be selecting one person from among them now. I'm going to be selecting one person now. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is I will use Excel. I've already copied out these names, the names of this person, and I have about 10 of them. You can see 1, 2, this is me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see we have 10 comments, 10 unique comments, and I've already copied out the name on an Excel. I'm going to be using this Excel sheet to create that raffle draw, and you can see the names here. Okay, so what I'll be doing is there is a formula I'm going to be using. It has to do with Excel. That is a random number in between I'm going to add brackets, and I'll select the first person, then select the last person. That is, among these numbers somebody is going to emerge, and I'm going to close the bracket, and the moment I hit enter now, the person is going to emerge. Who is he going to be? Who is going to be the person? Okay, let me hit the enter button now. Wow, number 7, and that is Hassan Hamid. Hassan Hamid has just won my Revit Tutorial Masterclass for free. Oh, congratulations, Hassan Hamid. So wherever you are, you can shout me up. Make sure I'm going to leave my phone number. You can shout me up, then you can send me a direct message. And if you are here today, make sure you keep commenting. And the next one, I'm going to be giving another person access to my Revit Tutorial Masterclass again, and this time around we are going to be picking the winner from our YouTube comments. We are going to be picking the winner from our YouTube channel. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so that you will be updated on what we are doing, and keep commenting on my channel. Like the video and let me see your comment. And at the end of this month, I'm going to be selecting another person again from the comments, and I'm going to give the person free access to my Revit Tutorial Masterclass. So let's keep commenting, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you will be updated on what we are doing. Okay, so Hamid, let me see Hamid comment. Hamid said, I am interested. Okay, congratulations, you have just won my Revit Tutorial Masterclass. Make sure you shut me up to gain access. Alright, thank you so much for being with me, and see you again in my next video. Bye.